Do you want to learn how I made this pretty floral Rihal? Then let's do it together. First of all, I am taking some white mica powder that has a pink tint in it, and then I am just mixing it with resin. Then secondly, I am taking some gold foil sheets. I have taken about 3 to 4 sheets and mix it with a little bit of resin first, so that the sheet is broken into very little pieces, and then I'll add more resin on top. Always remember to wear your respirator and nitrile gloves while working with resin, and also take proper safety measures like ventilation. So as you can see, I'm just mixing it very nicely, because if you pour the resin at all once, then the pieces won't break into little pieces and it won't look good. So here the mica powder resin is also mixed and the foil is also mixed. Now we'll start pouring in a diagonal pattern from the top. We are leaving half space for the foiled one, and just pour it all to the bottom also. I've used 2 by 1 ratio resin for this project. You can use 3 by 1 as well. Don't pour a thick layer, because thick layers tend to flow on their own way. When you pour in thin layers, you will have more control over the flow of the resin. Now I'm just pouring the golden foil resin onto the empty space that is there. I've just poured little bit and I'm letting it spread. After this layer is done, we will be doing a top coat in the second layer. You can go as thick as you like for the top coat, and it is better to go thick, because thick Rihals tend to be more stronger and they are less easily breakable. So after the foil is done, I have added dried roses on top of it. Don't try to put it inside, because since these are flowers, they tend to float on top. They will get covered in the second layer anyways. So these are full dried roses and they look beautiful. I'm just putting it along with the leaves. I'm not taking out the leaves. And Rihal is done. Do let me know how did you like the result. If you found the video helpful, then please consider subscribing.